something about Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Our holy Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was born in Makkah in the famous tribe of Quraysh. His father Abdullah died before his birth, so his mother Amina Bibi looked after him, but she also died when he was only 6 years old. Then his grandfather Abdul Muttalib took charge of him, but he did not live long finally. His uncle Abu Talib looked after him and never left him alone in any hardship. Our Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam met Khadija radhiyallahu anha, a wealthy lady of Makkah, when he was only 25 years old. Hazrat Khadija radhiyallahu anha handed over all her wealth to our Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and gone forth and noble purposes. He helped the poor and needy. When our Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam reached the age of 40, he was commanded by Allah, the Almighty, to possess Islam. Our Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam started preaching that there is no God but Allah, who is the universe and to whom all human beings will return. The people of Makkah accepted Islam very slowly. The Makkans indeed became the sworn enemy of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and his flock. They created all sorts of troubles for the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, but he stood firm. At last, he returned 63 age to Allah. That's all for the time being. Thanks for having patience. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
মাশাআল্লাহ, ছোট্ট একটি ছাত্র আমাদেরকে ইংরেজি বক্তব্য দিয়ে মনোমুগ্ধকর করেছেন। এখান থেকে আমরা একটা বিষয় শিখি যে আমরা অনেকে মনে করি মাদ্রাসায় পড়লে শুধু আরবি পড়ানো হয়। বাংলাদেশে এমন কোনো কওমি মাদ্রাসা নাই যেখানে শুধুই আরবি পড়ানো হয়, বাংলা, অঙ্ক, ইংরেজি সমন্বয়েই সবকিছু হয়। আলহামদুলিল্লাহ, আমাদের নুরুল কুরআন মাদ্রাসাতে বাংলা, অঙ্ক, ইংরেজি সব উভয়টাই আছে। বাংলাদেশের প্রতিটা মাদ্রাসাতেই বাংলা, অঙ্ক, ইংরেজি সব আছে আলহামদুলিল্লাহ। সংগ্রামী ইসলাম প্রিয়